Linktree tutorial for beginners, how to use Linktree to manage your social media and more. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can simply manage all of your social media and different platforms from one admin using Linktree. Linktree is the only link that you will need. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to linktr.ee, Linktree, and you will land on this platform right here. Linktree has a lot of different features and tools for us. Linktree helps us manage our social media, get followers, collect payments, and also get insights to all of our different traffic. To get started with Linktree, what you have to do is you will find the option right here which says sign up for free. We can get a free trial for Linktree, and the signing up process is really easy. To sign up, what you have to do is you can simply enter a username, whatever you like. Then you have to enter an email address and set up a reasonable password. Simply click on I agree to terms and condition and sign up for your Linktree. That's it. Once you sign up or sign into your Linktree, this is where you will get. Now, let me show you around. So you will find the links right here. And in here, we simply add new links for our social media, YouTube, browsers, and also our credit cards if we want to. Then we have the appearance option. And appearance is our profile appearance. This is what our profile looks like. You will actually get a preview right here. So you can see this is our profile appearance, and I will be able to share my profile which looks like this, and people will be able to access all of my social media from my profile right here. So I have selected this one right here, and we have our profile picture, we have our profile name. Then we get our settings and analytics right here. In analytics, of course, we get insights to all of our social media or platforms that we have actually added to our Linktree. You can see right here, we get our lifetime analytics. So before I get into these things, let's go to links and let me actually show you how you will be able to add a social media to your Linktree. To add your link, what you have to do is you will simply click on add new link option, and you can also explore from the gallery that we get here. So in explore, you will actually find all of the basic applications such as you can go with collect money, and collect money we have PayPal, Square, Spring, Store, and Request. Then we have in content, we have YouTube, Spotify, podcast. These are going to be different contents that we can actually add to our link tree. So I will simply click on add new link, and this is what it looks like. Now we have to enter a title. So I will be adding my Facebook. So you simply have to enter a title. Then you have to enter the URL, of course, of your Facebook profile right here. So I will simply go to Facebook right here and get my link. Simply click on URL, paste your URL that you have, and then it will be added here. Then we have other options as well, such as redirect. So if you want to redirect your Linktree to your Facebook, then you can add this option as well. Or maybe we can just add our link here and people will be able to open this application in another window, or we can just redirect it. Then we have a thumbnail. So I will simply go to thumbnail, click on set thumbnail. And now what I can do is I can actually go and upload my own thumbnail, and I can add an image, maybe my profile picture, or maybe I can choose from an icon. So that's what I'm gonna do. We can actually search for different icons as well, and we can search for Facebook. There it is. Simply select it, and this is going to be the thumbnail. Now you can see it's a Facebook logo. After that, if I want to prioritize this link over others, I can just select this option. Then we have schedule. So we can not only get access to all of our different accounts, but we can also manage them. We can also add different posts, and we can schedule events and posts from our account right here. And then we have the log option, and again we have analytics. And what I can do is I can get the analytics for the link that I have added, or I can get an overview right here. When it comes to the analytics, we get analytics according to location, gender, regions, and different factors, and we can actually know that from where we are getting the traffic and which of our posts actually got more traffic than others. We can compare the ads, and we can do a lot more when it comes to insights. So now you can see right here, my Facebook has been added right here to my account, and you can see this is my Facebook, and then we have YouTube. So this is how people will be able to check it. You can see I already had added YouTube, that's why I have it. Now to delete an account, you simply click this pin right here, and it allows you to delete a URL. You can add as many URLs as you like. I can again just click on add a new link, and this time I can add my Spotify, maybe my PayPal, and then we can simply add my Instagram, whatever I want to add. It's very easy to do. The link for your Linktree will be given right here. So this is our main link. This is the link that I will share with my friends and with my followers so that they can actually get access to this profile right here on a Linktree. For example, what we do is we add this link in our bio. If somebody checks out my Instagram and they want to discover more about me, they want to check out my Facebook, my YouTube, so we simply, add this link in the bio, and then this opens up for them and they can just access all of the different social media from Linktree. To share the link, you can simply click on this share option, and then you can also share it as a QR code. You can copy this one or you can share it to your socials. So that's really easy to share your Linktree link. And this is the only link that you need in order to share all of your social media. So it saves us from this hassle of adding a lot of URLs into our bio and, managing different URLs at one time. So if we go to appearance right here, so I will be able to edit my profile as I showed you before. And in settings, we get different settings such as our SEO, analytics, social icons. So we can not only add our social media and links, we can also work on the SEO for our Linktree. We also get our integrations right here, and we can actually integrate emails and SMS right here to our Linktree. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Linktree. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.